Hello my viewers, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video we will customize Woodmart theme using WPBakery page builder. If you are using new version of Woodmart theme, you also see option for Gutenberg, and in next tutorial we will customize our Woodmart theme using Gutenberg as well. If you did not watch my another tutorials on Woodmart theme, you can check out our playlist for Woodmart theme. So here I already installed Woodmart on my WordPress dashboard. Make sure you install your Woodmart theme on your WordPress dashboard, and then we will go to setting and permalinks. Let me open permalinks into new tab. So we will make sure our permalink set to post name. So this is the best setting for WordPress to set your permalinks to post name. So here the setting is already on post name here, and we will go ahead click on save changes. After that, when you install your Woodmart theme, you will see the setup widget something look like it, like welcome. It start from the welcome, and you have to go through step by step. You have to activate your Woodmart theme. When you purchase from Invento Market, you have to activate your theme here. But if you not yet have any hosting plan and you're confused which hosting you should go with, I have given link in description where you can choose your hosting with a discount. So let me go ahead, click on let's get start, as I already activate my theme, and click on next step. In the next step, we will install child theme. Make sure you install the child theme in case if you need any customization on your Woodmart or WordPress website. The child theme will help you to protect your real website. We always use child theme to protect our work. If we need any changes to the codes or any customization in the theme files, then we use child theme. So let me go ahead, skip this one. Make sure you already installed the child theme as well. So here we will choose WP Bakery plugin. When you choose WP Bakery, click in next step. In the next step, it will ask you to install WP Bakery page builder, also Woodmart core. Both plugins are required in order to start customization on our Woodmart website. So here I need to install all of these because Woodmart, it comes with the e-commerce functionality, contact form 7 to build contact forms on the website, MailChimp for WordPress, for newsletter, and Save SVG. SVG we install, we will able to upload SVG file on the WordPress. So here I will click on install and activate all the plugins right away. So we will wait here. I will recommend please do not refresh your WordPress page till our all the plugin successfully installed. As you can see, we have installed all the required plugins, and we will click on next step. In the next step, we will choose our pre-built website template here, which will compatible with WP Bakery page builder, and we will able to customize that template using WP Bakery. So first you have to choose the layout here. We have a Woodmart main, we have a marketplace, makeup, pills, pottery, vegetables. You have to choose your layout first. Even you can create agency website, business website, food delivery, a lot more. We also have fashion, color, grocery, retail, repair, lawyer, even travel directory website. Okay, let me go ahead with the main Woodmart main here. Click on import, and we will wait till our Woodmart template successfully installed. As you can see, we have successfully import our Woodmart main theme template here. As you can see, we have one message here. content has been successfully imported. Please wait. The theme needs to little bit more time than expected to import all the attachments. That means the images. So that's okay. We will wait till our all attachment being installed, and then we will click on now next step. We have complete this setup wizard step, and now let's go ahead, click on view homepage. Click on view homepage. So we will able to check if we have successfully import all the templates, and then we will go to one by one all the templates and we will customize them according the needs. If I scroll down, you can see WP Bakery page builder is here. Click on view homepage. As you can see, our template successfully installed. We need to customize our feature category, the menu, header, footer, everything with the WP Bakery page builder. And we also have option here added with WP Bakery page builder. We can directly click here to customize the homepage. So before we customize our homepage, let's do some basic setting for the Woodmart in the backend. And we will go to theme setting option in the Woodmart. Under the Woodmart option, we have theme setting. Okay, let's first check out Woodmart options. What options we have? So it will give you an idea what feature, what option you get in the Woodmart option. We can also directly go to theme setting from the Woodmart, pre-build website, click on it, and it will show you your imported template. If you want to uninstall and install any other template, here this one is activated here, and you can click here remove content. It will remove your imported template. Here you have option to remove content. And then we have theme license tools, where you will able to check all the pictures, errors, or any updates. Header builder, we can directly click here header builder. It will bring us to header builder area, layouts, sliders, HTML block, and sidebars. We can add sidebars here. Okay, so let me go to theme setting. Click on theme setting, the theme setting, first option. But if you want to watch in detail theme setting tutorial, we have also other tutorials with the Woodmart theme customization with Elementor. You can watch those videos as well in the Woodmart playlist. So here first option we have general layout. The option we need to choose our header layout. The header layout name is header base here selected. You can also choose other. So next we have a site width. If you want to keep this website full width, the website, let me open my home page to just to show you, and you will see our website now comes with the full width. But if you want to make the boxed or content with full width wide, if you want to make keep it wide 1600 pixel, you can change the website layout structure of your home page or other pages as well. This will affect on whole website. If you choose any other option in the site width, that will apply to whole website. So one more thing here, the new option we have here, cookies law info, which is a nice thing. You don't need to install any extra plugin to enable this feature, cookies law, because nowadays this is important for the websites. We have age verify pop-up, which is also nice thing. The website now comes with a full width. We don't have any sidebar. It's complete full width. But if you want to make the whole full width, instead the layouts here, these things are here in the starting, you need to choose 1600 pixel. That will make it more wider, because nowadays we have 1600 pixel the monitor, the computers, and those sport, and you can enable that one, that feature. You can select 1600 pixel, the wide one here. and then save changes. Let's go to header banner. We not have any header banner right now. If you hover your mouse to header banner here, question mark, it will show you how your header banner will look like. You can display your super sales, any discount above the header section. Let me show you the header section here, and it will pop up to down from the header. You can enable this one. If let me show you if I enable this one how it look like. But in the banner content you have to provide some information here. You can select the style. So the header banner, you will able to enable the banner above the header section. You can hover your mouse to the question mark here to see where it will be present above the header section. You can enable this one. Then you can also put your banner link, something like sales. If you have a separate sales page, if you see here on the Woodmart homepage, we have some pages like special offer, purchase theme here, some option. If I click on purchase offer, you can link this particular page, or you need to build a separate page, then you have to provide link here. You can link any page. You can build any type of header banner. So let me go to promo pop-up. You can enable promo pop-up like this. So if I hover my mouse here where it show, yeah, it will be pop up on your website. If I refresh my website to check if the banner pop-up banner showing there, you can enable that one for newsletter as well. If I scroll down little bit, and our pop-up banner will show here according the time you select here pop-up delay. You can adjust your pop-up delay here. Show after the number of page visit. You can enable the pop-up only for the people who revisit your website again and again. So this will help to specify the options for your visitors. If you don't want to show to just first time visitors, you can enable show after number of page visits. If you want to hide on mobile device, you can hide it, keep it hide. Or if you want to enable this pop-up on user scroll instead of the time, if you set on time, the pop-up will show after the given time, like 2 seconds, 2000 miles seconds. If you select user scroll and save changes, this pop-up will show if the user scroll your website to the down. Okay, if I refresh, let me go to my header section, refresh it. Okay, if I scroll down to check if our pop-up show, because we set the setting, if the user scroll, the pop-up will display. Yeah, here it is. I scroll little bit and it showing here, and you can use it for the newsletter, and it looks beautifully. Even you can customize it. To customize it, let me show you. This is the setting for the pop-up, promo pop-up, and you can simply click here, edit this block with page builder, and you will able to customize it or edit this particular promo pop-up with WP Bakery page builder, I think. So let me go ahead, click on it, edit this block with page builder. So I think we have to go to step by step, like promo pop-up, age verify pop-up, all the settings one by one. Then we will move to next home page customization, some other pages, how you can customize it, and menu, header, footer, everything. So if you're enjoying this video, please hit subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and also please share my videos with your friends, and like, also leave comments. So here let me click on edit this block with page builder, and new window will open here, where we will able to customize or make changes to the pop-up banner. I think the best practice here, you can use this for newsletter. I mostly use the pop-up for the newsletters, but it depends on you if you want to use it for the promos or to just show the promo sales, because we are working on e-commerce website. So if we have any special offer for the first time audience, you can display that one. Depends on you. Okay, so here, welcome to the editor, and we will use the WP Bakery page builder. Let me click next and next, next, next. Okay, so let me click here, WP Bakery page builder. Or how you can customize it another way, I will also show you that one. And here we will able to customize it with WP Bakery page builder. Here we have some boxes, different boxes, and you can also see here we have used MailChimp here for the newsletter. In the middle section here you can see it. Okay, you also can use classic mode front end editor to customize this particular promo pop-up. And you also can see here the left side HTML block. This setting is comes from the HTML blocks. In HTML blocks, we have different types of blocks which we use on our website. You can check by clicking all items, then you will able to customize those. You also can create categories in HTML blocks. So let me first customize the first section. Section title is something like, hey, you have signed up and connect to Woodmart, something like that. And then we have a MailChimp section text block. Okay, so first, if I hover my mouse to the first section, and I will see this green little bar where you will see the pencil icon here. Click on it. And this will open setting for you where you can make changes easily, which is very nice thing. And here in the upper section, we have general, title. If I want to change its title, subtitle, you can also create subtitle here. So let me click on title. We can change the title from here. Hey, you sign up and connect to the Woodmart. Okay, you will able to. Let me open also in the new tab. Along with that, I will show you how that look like and how the changes will make. Little bit, let me scroll down, so pop-up will be show here. Yeah, this this title, I'm talking about this title. Hey, you have signed up and connect to the Woodmart. And then we have this description. Then you can see here the sign up one. This is actually MailChimp. Let me show you here. And this is the title we are customizing. Okay, if we have a next option, subtitle and next the text used for here, description. This one I highlighted here, this description. Be the first to learn about our latest. This is just, if you want to change title, click on title and change this one here. And then description, click on text one, text. And in, if you want to hide for something like desktop or change the size, because for the desktop we have already hide this one, this will not display in the mobile units. Okay, let me go to title to change. And then text we can change here and save changes. Then we have a next MailChimp, and we will hover our mouse to the MailChimp and click edit. In the MailChimp setting, it will give you option to select your form here, select form. We already selected here newsletter form. If I scroll down to the sidebar of the website, and you will see here one plugin installed here under the setting, MC4WP. This is actually MailChimp plugin. Make sure you install this one before you get the option for the newsletters. If you want to use color scheme like dark scheme, the newsletter form will show in the dark scheme. Layout, you can make it center, alignment left or right. You can adjust the form width. This one, the width of this sign up, it, you can make it little bit bigger, the box where people will put their email address. You can choose the text color, default text color for the newsletter, and we have a more option, hover. It will change hover color. You can also click design option to give some space in the padding to the left side, right side, upper, and just you have to put value in the boxes like that, like 22, upper 22, side 22, like that, where you want to give some space like padding. Then you have to put in the value in the boxes and save changes after newsletter. So let me go to MC4WP and click on MailChimp just to show you. Make sure your MailChimp account is connected here before you see the newsletter forms. But if you're using any other, most of people they use any other provider, I will also show you that one, how to use that one instead of MailChimp. Make sure it connected here, MailChimp. You can click here, get your API key here, and you will able to get API key from MailChimp. Okay, and save changes. It will auto pull up all the newsletter forms. Okay, now let me go back to the same HTML block for the newsletter. Yeah. Okay, so example, I'm not using MailChimp. I just cancel it. I don't use MailChimp. So now what I will do, I will click here, prepend to this column. Click on it. And here we can choose different types of element. This is very similar to the Elementor. In Elementor sidebar, we see some elements, right? Then we drag it. You can simply select here. You have option like if you want to use in the content, social, structure, widget. You have more options here. The theme elements comes with the Woodmart, and you can use these any of these. You can display Google Map, Google button, anything. Okay, so I wanna display something else instead of Mailchimp. For example, I wanna try out another platform for the newsletter like MailPoet. After you install MailPoet, make sure you first install and activate those plugins. Then you have to search in the elements like MailPoet and it will pop up. Okay, it only pop up if the plugin already installed and activate. Okay, you got it. Or if not, and most of the newsletter companies they provide you some shortcodes HTML to use it. Then you have to do click on downside button to add and search for HTML. You can use this one, black one, HTML block. Sorry, not this one. This is actually for the Woodmart. Let me click again and HTML. I will use this one, raw HTML. Okay. And now next step, I have to paste that raw HTML here inside it of the newsletter and save changes. And it will be here, the upper one HTML block. Let me delete it. So we have raw HTML. So I want to drag it to the middle. I will hover my mouse to this green little bar and I will drag it slowly, okay, to the middle. Make sure you have provide the HTML code before it display properly. Even you can adjust it. If it's showing bigger or small, you can adjust by clicking design option. You can adjust it, radius, border, background even, okay, and click update. Now your newsletter will be updated with the new content. Now we will go to again theme setting, some other option. Then we will go to our home page after this. Theme setting, general. Now next we have I think age verification pop-up, and then we have a cookies to enable cookies on the website. So let's go to now age verify pop-up, because all these things are important for the e-commerce website. Okay, as you can see, this is a disable here, but if you want to enable this one, most of you want to enable this one to comply with the policies. And first you have to make sure the content you provide here is correct. Are you 18 over? You must have 18 above. And then error message you can set here what error message they will see, and choose style. Okay, you can decide you want to enable this one or disable. It will look like, if you hover your mouse to question mark, it will look like something this. You can access this website if you are 18 above, something like that. And then click on cookies law info. This is very same. If you want to enable cookies law you're on your website, it will look like something this on the border, on the footer section. Okay, now I enable the cookies, show cookies info, save changes. Let me bring you to the website homepage to show you how it will look like cookies info. Then I will show you how you can change the information for cookies law info. Make sure every time you make changes, don't forget to click on save options to save your work. Okay, we have successfully submit. Now let me refresh my website here to check our cookies bar if enable. I will scroll down a little bit. As you can see, we have now cookies bar here. We use cookies to improve the experience on our website, and I need to accept it. Click on accept. Okay, you can change the cookies law information here in the pop-up text. Okay, even you can add some media if you want to add media like images. Then we have option page with the default one. Okay, choose that privacy policy page. Actually you have to choose the privacy policy page here if you already built that one, and it will show on the website in the front end. Make sure you we use cookies to improve your experience. If you want to learn more for privacy policy, they will click and they will go to this particular page. Make sure page with the detail you select here privacy, search for the page PRI. Make sure the privacy policy is enabled in the pages. Let me go to the pages. You can check your all pages here for your website, because when we build the first time the privacy policy page not published, it go to draft. Even refund policy is drafted, so we have to edit the content according our website policies. You can easily add it with the WP Bakery page builder. When you hover your mouse, you will see option edit with WP Bakery page. Same on the home page. You have to find the front page here. Home main, the front page. You have to see the tag here, front page, and hover to the edit with page builder WP, and you will able to customize your home page or every page using WP Bakery page builder. Example, you wanna customize checkout or cart, you can every time use WP Bakery page builder. You have to click it here, not add it. Okay, so you have to publish the page first here and then it will display here. Okay, you have to refresh one time after publish. Then if you when you refresh, you will see your page here somewhere. Cookies version, if you change your cookies policy, you can increase the version of, like you can put here 1.2 version 1.3. If you keep change your policies. Okay, save changes. Next we have a mobile button navbar. Mobile button navbar. If you want to enable sticky navbar for the mobile, so let me open my website for the mobile, customize, and we will open the mobile version of our website. First click on customize, and downside you will see option to see as mobile here. Okay, we will able to see our mobile template, how it look like and what number they're talking about here. This number enable sticky number. If you hover here, you will able to see. Okay, they're talking about the downside, some buttons. If I scroll down, accept cookies, yeah, this one like shop, wish list, cart, my account, you can customize these things easily with the option mobile button number, bottom number. And then you have to change all these things, select a button here, shop page, wish list, cart, my account. Okay, if you want to cancel any of these, just click on small X button here to cancel. If you don't want to show example the wish list or cart, you have to cancel it from here. Or if you want to display custom button, then you have to first put the custom button URL. Example, I can give you example here. For example, downside, instead of the shop, you want to display here like contact us. Okay, then what I have to do, first I will cancel the shop page here. I don't want to display shop page. Instead of that, I want to display contact us. First, in the custom button text, contact us and custom button URL. So I have to get contact us URL. So I will find in the pages. Let me find contact us. Here it is. So I will right click on the view, copy link address. I will copy its link to paste it here. Custom button URL. Okay, so I paste it here. Even you can put icon and save options. That's all. Okay, then you can have a second button, third button, depends on you. And you can also cancel the selected button here. Let me cancel shop page. Okay, instead the shop page, you can select any other. Example, we build the button number one. Okay, example, button number one, we put information contact us, right? Instead of the home shop page, let me click on it. You have to click on it. Okay, not cancel. You can click to reselect any other and select button one. And button one is here in the end. So I want to drag it to, I think I can drag it. So let me cancel the shop page, because if you add multiple items, those might not able to see here, because we can see only maximum 4 items here: shop, wish list, cart, my account. Okay, so let me keep only, I don't want to show cart, but if you want to keep show cart, wish list, you can keep it. I just to show you. So I have off canvas, sidebar, cart, my account, and button. The button is contact us. Let me save options, and I will also refresh on the front page to check the changes. Refresh. After refresh, let me select the mobile version just to check the changes. Yeah, here it is. We have only now card, my account, contact us. Okay, if you want to keep middle, the contact us or in the first number, then you have to rearrange it. How you can arrange it? So let me cancel my account card. So our button is automatically on number one. Then I will select in the box, click within the box to reselect again those things. Next, second, what I want to display, second will be my account, third will be off canvas sidebar menu. You can select like this, okay, to rearrange it. Even you can click select all if you want to display, because that's not possible. We don't want to display all because we only can show limited things here, I think four. Okay, then you have to select it according that what options you want to display here. Okay, three, save options, and you will able to see the changes right away. Next, let's go to the search option. Display result from blog. If you wanna display the search from the blog also. If not, the system automatically only search page products on your website. Let me show you the search system of our website. Example, we have here search option in the header here. And if you search something here, and it will only search products. Okay, but if you want to also let them search the blog on your website or anything else, you have to enable display result from the blog. Okay, if you don't want to display result from the product, then you have to disable the product. You can enable only blogs to search, then the people will able to only search, use this filter search for the blogs. Then we have search by product SKU, like here. Set category search by, and click on search. Let me search anything. It will bring us to the search result page. Yeah, here it is. Filter by price, filter by color, size, all these things. Okay, or you can also enable use relevancy for Ajax search. Ajax search, what that mean? If I start typing something here, like example phone, I will start typing PHON. It will, and you will see sometime it auto pop up immediately. This way we call it Ajax search. This is already in the system, but if you want to use relevancy, this is actually a plugin, then you can enable this one. Okay, popular request, you can display here popular request like watch, and then one step down like iPhone or phone, and those popular search will be show here what people are searching nowadays, to show others what is popular right now on the website. Okay, then save changes. Let's go to sticky navigation. Before selecting the menu for sticky navigation option, make sure the images are uploaded. You can configure it via appearance menus. Yeah, definitely we have to configure those images before we select any menu here. Sticky navigation, make sure we will create separate menu for all these things. We will create a sticky navigation menu, top bar menu, like main menu, sidebar menu. Okay, first we have to work on those, then we select it here. We can select it for now because this is easy to select with one click. First we have to make sure all these menus are valid and working according our business website, according our e-commerce website. Okay, next setting, we have a page title, where you will able to choose the page design for the title, how your page title will look like. If I click on any page like portfolio, and here this is the actually this one header behind the portfolio here, the image, the long image, This is the design of the page, how you want to display it. You can choose other, like you can choose the default one. If I choose default one, save options, and you will see changes. This is actually page title design, this one. This is the page title, right? And this is the, you can change its design. I already saved that one. Let's refresh it. And this portfolio will be here in the left side. It will change the design. Not yet. Let me refresh again. Sometimes you will not see changes due to cookies. Where when we keep work on our website, the cookies keep saved, and then you have to open your website into private tab to see if there are really changes. Sometimes you don't see any changes due to cookies. So if I open my website into private tab, I'm pretty sure the title design will be changed because we changed the setting in the backend. Yeah, it's a change. The portfolio is come here left side. Okay, this way you can check your changes. If you will not see changes, you have to open into private tab your website. Okay, this way you can change the title design, small title size. If you want to make title, the letters, these letters are more bigger, you can make it more bigger. If you want to change the background image of the title, you can change it here. Just to simply remove and put any other image, remove it and upload new image from the gallery. Make sure you have enough images to select when you work on your website, and that image will show in the background. Okay, you can also change page title background, anything, page color of your page title, light, you can keep it dark, and this title become dark. Okay, you can also work on SEO, because I really love to work on SEO when I build website for the clients. This website also one of my clients, and I think this is the great time, so I will able to teach my audience how you can work on Woodmart using WPBakery page builder, because not all people use Elementor. They want to try out with some other page builders like Gutenberg or basic WordPress editor. In next tutorial, we will also make a video on WordPress editor. You can how you can make changes to your website for the Woodmart. And the setting here, title tag, I will suggest you can keep it H1 or default. H1, one of the important. Why we select H1? H1 always known as the important, one of the more important title. H2 is little bit, and H3, H4. This way, the structure of our website. Okay, this tell search engine how important this particular title, how important these things, and then show breadcrumbs. This is, we call it breadcrumbs here, little bit near the home slash portfolio. This is called be breadcrumbs. If you want to enable, keep enabled. Used, if you have a SEO plugin, used breadcrumb for shop, you can enable this one, but you have to require used SEO plugin. Same the setting downside, used breadcrumb for pages. Okay, but if you're not using used SEO, any other like rank math, okay, then you can simply enable this, keep enable this setting, and save options. After page title, let's go to the footer section. Next we have footers. Okay, the footer is enabled here, and the selected how many elements visit, selected 5 columns. All these are column related to the footer section. If I go to footer section, the 5, 1 2 3 4 5 5 columns. One column we have a website detail, recent post, our store menu, useful links, footer menu. We have to work on these menus. So these all display proper way, and those should work. Okay. Then first you have to select how many column you want, how much information you have. You can decide the columns according that. If you want to display only one menu here or two menu and then website information, you only need three column, right? Then you have to select three column. Scroll down, you can select the footer background. The footer background is now white. This one whole, you can make it dark. If I select here, you can simply select here the dark, save options. Now our footer section will be dark. But before we set to the dark, make sure footer text color should be then light. Okay, if we select here white, it should be dark. Okay, this way you have to select the text color. It must be visible. If you select footer background black, then you have to select option here light one. So let's refresh our footer section. Sometime if you not see changes, you have to check if your website has a cache plugin installed. Then simply like, yeah, here I have to disable this one, light speed cache. So I don't need it for now. Maybe later on we will use it, because cache really effect on your website. It will not let show the latest stuff on your website, latest changes. So let me simply disable or deactivate my cache plugin. Now let's refresh it. As you can see, we have now changes with the dark footer and three column only. Okay, that's why people love pre-tech ideas because we have a lot of techniques. If something not work and we our my mind actually trigger right away what's going on and how we can fix it immediately, then I do it. That's why people really love my videos, because I always love to create in detail tutorials. So everything I want to explain everything step by step. Okay, so we have selected three column. You can also reselect if you need more, and then we can customize those easily. So now let's go to copyrights. Under the footer we have this text here, website text. You can change it by clicking copyright option, copyrights, and you can select two column meaning one side we have these icons and one side we have website text color, copyright text. If you want to make it center, then you have to select here centered. Copyright layout should be centered, and then you have to select all, delete it, and provide your own copyright text next to copyrights. And this is actually the link of images. If you want to keep display all these all these things, stickers, and you don't need to delete it. Okay, actually this is the link. This link you can see here, this is the link of that particular icon where is the located in our gallery. It auto pick that, but you can change this link. You have to provide any link here to display those images there. Then you have to go to the media library, then you have to copy the images URL. Then I have to find that one. Where is that image I want to show in the footer, right? So that should be something horizontal, not vertical. So if I find the payment icons here, there should be example I want to display this letter, this particular. So I have to copy here file URL. I have to copy the file URL from here, and I will go back to the copyright section and I will paste it before the inverted comma and between, from starting from https till .png, and all text you can change it if you want, or you can leave it. You can provide the alt text here instead of payments. If the image is referred to something else, you can provide according that the alt text. This help in SEO as well. And save changes. Okay, that's all. And your icons image, this one will be changed. Okay, so after the footer section, we have our typography where we can adjust our text font. We can select our text font here from the options, and then we can keep it to normal. That's okay. Font size is 15 selected here, but nowadays Google recommend to have at least minimum 16 or 17 pixel on the website, so it will be more visible for the mobile for small units. And then we have a title font. If you want to change title font, so let me show you somewhere the title on the website, which you can customize or change the title font for every title on your website. If I go to scroll down, and this can be title H1 we call it, and you can change its font. Or if you go to any page like contact us, and it will change the main title font for whole website. Something like that. This is the title, the main titles. And then you can set semi bold here. That's okay. You can keep select semi bold and color for that font, title font, and then entire name fonts. Secondary font, we have a visit title font, header font. This is actually header font for the main H1 we call it. Okay. Note, if you use Google font, only selected font weight will be loaded on your website. If you use Google font, then the font weight is selected here, like bold 700, semi bold 600. It will be only applicable. If you use more higher number, that will not affect. That will only select font weight will be loaded on your website. Only select font weights. If you set font weight 400 for the body and 600 for the heading, you will not able to set 100, 300, 700 font. Okay, so if you select the weight font somewhere here 400, you will not able to use it 400 again somewhere. Okay, then you need to use 600, 500 or 300. Okay, then let's go to advanced section for in typography, where you can select your font single product title, the title for your product page, for your product title. If I go to any product for our website on our website and I scroll down, this is the product. I click on the product and the title here iPhone dock. If you want to change its font for the title, product title, we call it product title. That's why it's selected here, single product title. Single product title will be here iPhone dock. Let me scroll down a little bit. Yeah, it will change this font. You can also select some other single product price if you want to use same font on the price as well, and keep select in the box. You can select more things here, product old price, and you can set different fonts, and you can add also the rules. Custom fonts, if you want to use custom font on your website, in this selection you can upload your custom font. You will able to upload WOF file, font file here. Icon fonts, you can use icon font like icon 2, icon 3. Which icon you like, you can select here. Icon designs, you can go with the icon font 3 to check if how it look like. Okay, then Adobe fonts, if you want to use Adobe fonts, then you have to enter your Adobe product ID here. You can click here to get more information. Let's move to style and colors. In the style, the rounded is around 0 pixel, but if you wanna round it all the corners on your website, you can select 5 or 8 pixels something. It will rounded all the waysets on your website. Change global site element rounding. It also can overwritten in each individual item element by some options. It will not display in everywhere. Okay. Dark theme, if you want to use turn on the global website color dark theme, if you want to website use your website into dark theme whole website, you can turn on this option dark theme. Let's go to colors. You can change your primary color. As our website has a green color everywhere, this is primary color we call it. Then you can change your primary color according your business or brand. Secondary color, you can also change the secondary color. Let me show you where is the secondary color showing somewhere. Secondary color, if I go to any, like click on any product, and secondary color should show there. Okay, you can use different colors here. You have to click inside it. If you have a code, then you have to put that particular code here for the colors. You have a regular link colors, hover color or regular color. Link, if you hover somewhere is link present, when you hover the color will be changed. Mobile browser top bar color, this one, it will show in the, if I open my website for the mobile units, click on customize and then we select downside for the mobile, we will able to see mobile layout using this. And later on we also customize our mobile layout as well. Let me select for mobile to just to show you where is the setting, this particular setting present. In the mobile unit, you see green color in the top bar with the icons. You can change this one here. Mobile browser top bar color. You can change it here. Top bar color. Let me scroll down. Top bar color. It will show in the upper side in the when where we add our address bar in the website. It will show that area. Okay. Then save options. Let's go to pages background. If you wanna use any background image or background pages color, if I open any particular page, example, let me open contact us page, because we have to go step by step all these setting, because these setting are present in the front end as well, right? So we cannot skip these things. These things are very important for basic. So you can change this background color for any page, all page background. You also can upload image here. Shop background, single product background. You can change the color for each element. Let's go to buttons. You can use 3D button here, the option here, which I personally like 3D button on the website. You can select here 3D button or round or rounded. Okay, so if I go now to the buttons, let me, yeah, this one. It will be rounded or 3D. You also can change button typography like fonts for your buttons, even default button background. If you want to keep default any color you choose for your website, buttons, accent color, the color this one is present now here. You can change this one by here. Accent color background, accent color, hover background. Okay, you can use the dark color for the background. Select the dark one. Okay, save options. Now when someone hover the mouse and it will become black. like that. Okay, if I hover my mouse, it become black. Even you can use it rounded, but for the buttons. Let's go to form section. You can choose the form style here. Okay, you can use placeholder, the bigger one, rounded, and the border for the border bit, even color for the text color, placeholder text color you can choose also. Okay, let's go to notice. Success notice background color. For example, if someone give order on our website, okay, for the warning you can change this color, but I can suggest you can keep these colors for the success. Okay, for the warning you can change red or this one. Carousel, let's go to carousel style. Icon type for the carousel. If I able to see the carousel somewhere, let me check again. Scroll down. Yeah, I can see it here. Carousel icon design. You can change this one. You can use style number 2 or separate or together. You can choose it, and you can also change the color for this icon and carousel pagination size, background color, scroll bar. You have all options available here, and you can hover your mouse here to see if how it will look like. Style 1, this is the style 1, and you can select number 2 and you can hover again to see it. Arrow together, then hover your mouse to see something like that. When you select arrows together, it will there will be a two arrows left and right. Let's go to blog section. You can change if you want to keep sidebar in the blog. If I open my blog page, and I will able to show you for the sidebar. Let me open any blog post, and you can see here there will be a sidebar. So let me check here. Yeah, sidebar here. And if you don't want sidebar, you can set to one column, two column left, or three column, two column right if you want. You can also adjust the size to small, sidebar size small, off canvas sidebar for desktop. If you want to enable this one, you can try out different options for the sidebar. Blog archive. If I go to back to the only blog page, not a single post, this is the blog archive page, and we have three blog posts in each column. You can make changes here. Monthsary grid, if you want to change mask on image, small image, chase. This is the blog design. You can change it. Add shadow, if you want to add little shadow. Yeah, I like this shadow. If I hover my mouse to the blog, it becomes shadow the box. And you can blog column on desktop 3. Yeah, 1 2 3. You can change to up to 4 if you want to make 4 column for the blog. Then space between post and desktop, keep it on 20 is already good setting. Blog pagination, if I scroll down there will be a pagination for the blog. Here nothing, but you can set load more button, or you can set infinite scroll. Infinite scroll, if that mean if someone keeps scroll, the post will keep open. Keep scroll, it will auto open blog post, next blog post. Page post option, keep it as it is. We are not going to change anything because the setting already good. If you wanna show title, yes, meta Read more button, the read more button here, continue reading. Okay, you can enable or disable post text. You can hover your mouse to see where this located. Publish date, if you want to display this publish date here, when this particular blog post published here, the box one here, 23 July, you can disable it and save changes. Single post, let's go to now single post. Click on any single post and you can change large image if you want to make this image more larger, but it's already good. I don't want to change anything. Custom single post header, if you want to change this header, particular header, something else on the blog post, you can change even header. Share button, if you want to enable share button, if I scroll down there will be a share button. Here it is, share button. If you wanna, here we have tags, share button, next post, all these things. Post navigation, related post, author bio. If you wanna enable about the author, you can enable the setting or disable. Save changes. Okay, let's go to portfolio. If you have a portfolio, make sure the portfolio page is selected here. If not, you have to select first portfolio page from your website. Or if you have a portfolio somewhere else, then this setting will be helpful for you. URL, portfolio, project URL slug, and category slug. If you wanna, here you can read important, you need to go WordPress setting permalink. So I will not suggest you change permalink setting for this particular. So you can keep always to post name your WordPress permalink setting. Okay. Portfolio archive, this is very same, how many portfolio you wanna display per page. This is very same settings related to the blog. If you wanna display 3 column, 4 column, project column, let me open my blog page to show you. If you have portfolio, then you need it. Otherwise, you can unselect here, simply unselect off it. That's all. If this setting you don't like, then you can turn it off. We can see here for the blog post 3 column, this is something very same in the blog portfolio archive. You can select more column and then single project, then you can check the setting. Project name, in page title you can enable this one. You can also select custom single project header if you have a custom header. Okay, let's go to shop, which is very important thing. Action after add to cart. If my users will add any product to cart, what will happen next? Display widget here. It will display widget like that in the sidebar widget. Okay, let me show you this one how it works. If I scroll to any option and click on cart, and it will right side, left side, it will open, click add to cart, and it will open here the setting display widget in the right side here. Let me show you. Go to shop page. I need to visit shop page for that. Okay, let me go to shop. So I will able to show you all the setting along with that will be best practice, so you will understand. If I go to add to cart now, and here it is, this one sidebar. If you want to keep this open or show pop-up instead of sidebar, it will show pop-up. You want to add to cart something, then okay, then you can select this option show pop-up. I will suggest display widget always. Hide widget automatically, it will hide after some time. If some no action taken, it will be hided, or you can make it custom, like people have to click on close or X button. Quantity input on shopping cart widget. They will able to adjust the quantity also on the sidebar. Example, let me click again add to cart, and here they will able to see and adjust the quantity also. I think this setting you should enable. Okay, show SKU on cart page, checkout page. For the SKU catalog mode, you can hide all add to cart button, cart visit, cart everything. This allow you to showcase your product as online catalog without ability to make purchase. If you want to use this only like a catalog, then this option you have to enable, otherwise no. Enable size guided. If you have a if you have product with the sizes, you have to enable this one. Login to see add to cart and prices. If you enable this one, people have to log in first. It will pop up the login page instead of open add to cart items. You can enable this one. They have to log in first to see add to cart item. I think this is the best setting. Enable dynamic discount. I will suggest to use this dynamic discount. You can configure your discount in dashboard product dynamic discount. If I hover to products in the WooCommerce products, yeah, here it is. First, you have to enable this one. Yeah, then you can use this one. Otherwise, it will not show. Show discount table. You can also enable this one. Discount table for the discounts, and you can also can follow one by one all shop options here like variable products, product labels. Okay, all these things. Product labels, if you want to display product label like sale, here it is a label. New, it's a label. Sale, hot is also a label. Percentage discount, you can change its background color if you want. If you want to disable all these things, you can disable, simply uncheck it. Okay, but most people they love to display all items like hot label. It's very same hot. Out of stock label. Okay, brands, if you want to display brands on the single product page. If I open any product and scroll down, it will show product brands here. Here it is about brand, information about brand. But if you are doing drop shipping or anything else, you can disable this thing, show brand on a single product page. You can disable it. You also can enable this setting. Instead of a product brand, you can display like color, sizes. Then it will show sizes, color options here. But those options already here, we don't need to enable it. Show tab with brand information. Yeah, this tab here, brand information, about brand, this one, brand information, the tab. You can disable this one. Okay, the setting here, show brand on single product page, it's belong to this one, the logo of brand. Sorry for that. And save changes. Let's go to quick view. Some people hover the mouse to the product, they will able to quick view the layout. Okay, they will able to, like that, they will able to quick view all the products. Let me go back to the products, and I will show you if there is option quick view. You can enable or disable that thing, but I will suggest keep it enable. Just click on it, or click on, you can disable also this option. Compare, this is very same. There is a compare button on the shop page, on the products page. On the shop page there will be compare button. People will able to compare, add to compare. If they want to compare any product, you can enable or disable that option. If you don't allow them to compare any product, you can disable, simply disable the option. If I go to shop page, and there will be option for the to compare the products, but you can disable that thing. You will they will able to compare description, SKU, availability, but you can add more things to compare, to compare the dimension, weight, brand, color. You can select according you. If I scroll to any product, there is a this one, add to compare, little icon. Let's go to wish list. If you want to enable wish list, we also have wish list here. Here it is, the heart icon, add to wish list. You can enable or disable this thing. If you want to enable wish list for only for login user, then you have to enable this setting here, only for login. They have to log in order to compare any product. You don't need to change anything here, it's already good. Multiple wish list, if you want to enable multiple wish list. Okay. Button, show button on products in loop. Okay, the button for add to compare, this button, if you want to enable or disable this one. Let's go to waiting list. If you want to add your product to waiting list, wait list. Okay, it's actually disabled by default. You can add to wait list if you want to enable this option. This is very same to wish list as well. Let's go to cart button. If I go to add to cart, and then I will click on view cart, you will able to change layout for your view cart. Layout number 2, you can hover your mouse to see if how the layout will look like. If you select number 2 layout, number 1, this layout, you can change it. Layout number 2, update cart on quantity change. Yeah, they will able to change the quantity here. If they want to add 4 items, and then the quantity will be changed here. Okay, let's go to checkout. Same the checkout option. Let's go to first cart, add to cart, and then we directly click on checkout. You can also change checkout settings for your website, how your checkout will look like. If you're enjoying my video, please hit subscribe, like, and share, please. Okay, this is the checkout. You can change its, if you want to display product image in the checkout, here product image will be show here instead of products item 3, the selection, the image also show here. Quantity, if you wanna enable the quantity here, they will able to also adjust the quantity from here. Remove button, if you wanna remove the button. Link to products, enable the ability to go the product page from the order table checkout. They will able to just click here, they will go back to same product. They will able to click on the these products. You can enable this one. Checkout field manager, if you wanna adjust anything in the fields like billing detail, you wanna adjust these things, then you have to enable And you have to, after enable this one, you have to go to WooCommerce, checkout fields, WooCommerce, and go to setting and checkout fields. First you have to enable it here and save changes. Let's go to thank you page. If you want to make any changes after the checkout, there will be a thank you page, thank you for your order, something you can change. You can provide nice lines here in the box, what you want to display, extra content. Okay, for the thank you page you can write something nice lines here. Frequently bow together. If I scroll down, if you enable that option, here will be frequently bow together, like three product, three column. But make sure your product must, when you add product in the WooCommerce, you have to add frequently bought together manually. I will show you later on. Free gift, if you want to enable free gift for any item, if you offer any free gift on most of the item, you can enable the free gift option. It will show there is a option like freebies. Then you have to enable this option. Otherwise, no. Location, cart, where you want to display this free item in the cart. After the cart table, okay, here free item, it will display. If you want to also check out on the display on the checkout page, it will display on the this checkout page. If I go back to the cart page, it will, you can here select here cart free gift table position after cart table. If I go to cart and click on view cart, and the free item will be displayed after this item here, somewhere here. Let's go to free shipping bar. The shipping bar, actually you can enable this one, it will display above on your website like header, or you can, it will display also here free shipping. Example, they select some product and you can disable enable here, they will able to see shipping, free shipping on these products, something free shipping bar. Then you can select here option calculation based on WooCommerce free shipping method. If it will only display if you select free shipping in the while upload product, then you have to select here based on WooCommerce. You can also exclude coupon discount, where you want to display it, cart page, mini cart page here, or single product page. It will display free shipping option in the single product page. Also checkout page, you can enable this one. Estimate delivery, you can enable this option to show estimate delivery for the people when this product going to deliver, estimate date. You can enable this one. Then you can adjust where you should wanna where you wanna display it. Location, location means display location. Setting, overall delivery dates, you can enable this one. And date format you can get from WordPress setting, that's okay. Free fragment updating, enable this option to ensure the estimate delivery time correctly updated when catching enable. Okay, let's go to last number, abnormal cart, you can enable. If some people, they just select a product and cancel the website or cut the website, they leave the website, that we call abnormal cart. You can enable this one, it will send them some emails or recover guest cards. They will able to, when they revisit again, they will able to see here you have some items in your cart, please check out them, something like that. Let's go to product archive. Product archive, this one, let me go to shop page. There will be setting for the product archives. If you want to enable Ajax shop, they will able to filter the products by color in the side here. This is called Ajax shop. You can enable this one. If you don't want to display these things, only product, then you have to disable it. Ajax shop. Scroll to top after Ajax. If they scroll down, they will see scroll to top button. Okay, here scroll to top, and the breadcrumb on shop page, breadcrumb here, this one, and then show out of stock. You can enable this one. If any item of these items are out of stock, it will show label like out of stock. Product grade, how many product grade, 3 column, same like earlier blog. You can display how many product per page, per column you want to display, up to 6 products. You can also select here if you want to see product as a list or grid list or list grid. Here they will able to choose it, grid, list grid. Okay, default sorting. Okay, you can enable or disable these things in the setting. Product grid, product style, this is the setting I personally really love it. If you want to change the this whole box style, how your product will look like, you can change it from here. Number 2, you can select number 2 if you like it, and the icons will be show instead of downside, it will show in the side each product. You can try out these settings or styles for your product page. Category style, how your category will look like, category design. Okay, this is for the categories. Shop filters, what filter you want to display here, what filters we have here, shortings, popularity. Okay, you can check out these options. If you have any question regarding theme setting, because if we go through one by one, the video will be longer. Hopefully we will create a part 2 if the video take more time. Then we have a widgets. What widget you want to display here, toggle function for category widget. Here this one, scroll for filter widget. You can hover your mouse to see what setting. Okay, filter widget, scroll filter widget, they will able to scroll the more colors. Height for filter widget, adjust the height. And shop sidebar widget collapse, if they will able to, they will able to off the sidebar from here. One click, the off bar, the sidebar will be off from the setting. You can select then all sidebars, all widget. They will able to clear it or reset the filters. For example, if I select any some filters, and I will able to reset all them and close the sidebar. Page title, this page title actually for the category, this one, this is the page title. The background, the shop name, you can also disable these things. Categories, category in the page title, the same setting here. Okay, show current category and can store, they will able to, it will able to only show the related category, current categories. Show product count for each category, how many product in this category. Like example here, accessory 3 product, clock 1 product. And you can disable it if you don't want to show the how many product in this particular category. You can disable it. Hide empty category. This is nice thing. You can hide empty category. It will not allow, it will not show hide empty category, and we don't want to show empty category here, right? It will affect in SEO also. Exclude category. You also can exclude category, any category you don't want to show here. Okay, simply select that category. Clock, it will not show here. Clock will not show here. Make sure you click on save changes every time. Sidebar, here is the setting for the sidebar. How much the sidebar space you want to give here. How much? Single product page, this is the setting for single product page. If I go to any product, the setting for the single product page. Okay, first this page. And here, if you want to disable, if you want to enable sidebar also in the single product page, I will not recommend to display sidebar in the single product page. Product page layout, medium, if you want to go with the full width or large layout or small layout, small image, that means this image will be smaller. Product design page and centered, these items are now left, and when you change to center, the title will be in the center, all things will be in the center. Then you have to select here product page design center. Sticky product is a really nice thing. Sticky product, you can stick some product here, or while they will scroll to the images, and this setting will be stay here, and they will able to scroll all the way down while it will be stick here. I really like this option, sticky product. Add shadow to product summary block, this one. Summary here, this one. Let me scroll the, yeah, shadow to the product summary. It will add shadow here around way where we have title, description, add to cart button. It will add some shadow. I really like it. Let's add shadow to make it beautiful. Okay, save option to check if what effects we will get. If everything looks nice, we will keep changes. And we will refresh the product single product page. Later on, we also check some WPBakery settings, what settings we have. Let's refresh it to see if there is changes. Yeah, it look beautiful now. There is a shadow here, line, the one line, shadow line. It look beautiful now. Let's go to gallery of single product page. If you want to display gallery, something like that, in the side we have three product, main, gallery image. You can change its design. If you want display three, you can select three, bottom grid or the main, gallery gap, you can add gallery gap, thumbnail per slide on desktop three, this one, per slide three, one, two, three. If I slide one more time, and it will be bring another three items in the gallery. You can select it here. Thumbnail position button on mobile devices. I have to open for the mobile devices. Let me click customize to check for the mobile units. In the mobile unit, thumbnail position bottom on mobile unit. It will add thumbnail position to bottom. Let me open for the mobile. Yeah, thumbnail position to the bottom. Here it add here bottom. They have to click one by one. Instead, in the desktop, it's on the side. The three options on in the side. Okay, then thumbnail image width 150 is good. Main image they will able to zoom it. When they hover the mouse, it will auto zoom. Okay, photo swipe pop up. You can see here how it will look like. Okay, they will able to see complete image by clicking on the image. Okay, I'm not able to click it now. I can only swipe it like that, but you can enable this option, photo swipe pop-up. Show click to enlarge icon. The icon is here, click to enlarge. Yeah, they can enlarge it, even the swipe. They have to click here, click to enlarge. Main carousel auto height. Okay, it will auto adjust the height of your image. The images, I really like it. I have to enable this one because some image are smaller or bigger. It will auto adjust the layout according that. Okay, save options. Then we have option add to cart. If you want to make a add to cart button sticky, for example, if I enable, yeah, if I enable this option, even I scroll all the way down to the description, add to cart button will be here somewhere downside. Then I have to enable sticky add to cart button. Even you can enable this option for the sticky add to cart on mobile. I think you have to use this option. Save option. Let me refresh to check the changes. Refresh, and we will able to check if there is a sticky add to cart. Yeah, here it is. Sticky add to cart is here. It's working now. They will able to, even they scroll all the way down anywhere, the sticky add to cart will be here for main product. Even in the mobile you can enable this one. Then we have a buy now button. You can enable buy now. Here we don't have buy now button, we only have add to cart. You can add buy now button directly. Buy now, it will bring them automatically to the checkout page instead of cart page. You can enable buy now. I will suggest it will add buy now button to every single product page. Don't change this redirect location, only keep checkout page. It will bring them to checkout page. Then we have elements. If you want to enable breadcrumbs, here it is. Okay, this one, breadcrumbs on the product page or navigation. You can use this stock status design. You can change other design for this. Stock progress bar, it will show here the progress bar, how many item left, something the line. Okay, then you have to enable this one. Countdown timer, if there is a sale for particular product, it will count down the sale time. Then you have to enable countdowner time. Countdown for variable product, then you have to enable this one. Meta after add to cart button, this we call meta information. SKU, category, share, everything is under the add to cart. But if you want to make all these things above and final add to cart here, then you have to select here after tabs, or you can also hide meta tabs. You can hide these things if you don't feel, you don't want to show. Okay, show product brand. If you want to show here product brands somewhere, share button. If you want to disable or enable the share button for the product, I will suggest you keep it enabled. So some people, they want to share with the friends on Facebook, Twitter, they have to just click on it and it will give them option to share it. Then we have a review. If you want to enable review for the product, here it is, review option. They will able to leave review on the product. Layout, one column or two column. The two columns selected. One column we have reviews here. One column they will able to leave review. Form location, after review you can change style for the reviews. Style one looks good. Review column on the desktop, one column. Pro and cons, if you wanna disable, if you wanna enable pro and cons of the products, you can also enable this one. How many likes on the product, then you have to enable the likes. Sorry, it's for the review. How many likes on the review, then you have to enable it. Pro and cons, it also related to review. When they leave review, they will able to see option pro and cons. Verified owner page, it will display verified owner. Okay, when someone leave review, if they are verified owner, it will show page. Okay, then you have to enable this one. Image, they will able to upload image in the review, then you have to enable this option, review images. Image count in one review, don't three image selected here, you can only allow one image or two image. Maximum upload file size one, that means 1 MB megabyte. You can allow them up to 2 MB, 3 MB, it depends on you. Are images required? You can make images required in the review. They have to leave provide image of the review. Filter review by image, if you, I don't want it. Review summary, yeah, summary, how much the total summary of the review, how many, like 4.5 rating, 4.6 rating, you can enable this option, rating summary. Okay, rating by criteria. Save changes. So after the product page, I think product setting, we will go to customize our home page. Then rest of we have from the my account or social profile, we will do it later on. Okay, because these were very important for the setting, single product archive style, these were important. So after that we have left some like social profile, performance, maintain, we will do it later on after we design our home page. After review we have a tabs, shipping and delivery tab. Here it is. What tabs you wanna show in the description? Shipping and delivery, about, additional information, description. Okay, you can adjust how many tabs you wanna show. Example here, additional tab number one is shipping delivery. If I click on tab 2, there is nothing, but you can add something else here. Tab 3, this is the same thing. As example, tab 1, the title, tab 1, shipping and delivery, and then you can also select the text here. It will, you can provide your own information here, or you can choose HTML block. HTML block always in the HTML block section in the WordPress. You can design anything in the HTML block, then you can select simply your HTML block to display, or you can also click edit this block with page builder. It, you will able to edit this particular shipping and delivery with the help of WP Bakery page builder. If I click on shipping and delivery, you will able to change this information, because most people, they don't want how to change these things. These things are very easy to change. If I click on edit this block with page builder, click on it, and it will bring you to the page where you will able to change shipping and delivery information. it will bring you to the same information here, and you will able to change with the help of WP Bakery page builder. There is a code, nothing showing. You have to click here, WP Bakery page builder. You have to click this tab. Yeah, here it will show you blocks. Then you have to edit it. Here it is. Section title, okay, section description, another section, the sections here. Okay, you have to hover the mouse first. Image gallery is here. Okay, let's go to image gallery, hover the mouse and click edit image gallery, and provide those images here you want to display in the shipping and delivery tab. You have to cancel it old image and click on add image. You will able to add image and save changes. Don't forget to click save changes. Now section title, hover your mouse to first one, add it and change the section title. Click on title, general, title, subtitle, text, every option is here. Here it is. Just you have to change after the strong meta tag, okay, between, just to change the between things from here to here. Okay, don't change the strong tab. It's a HTML block, but you can if you don't want to make it the bold, if you want to make it unbold, you can delete the strong meta here HTML block. You can delete it. Simply provide your title. If you want to keep it strong, don't delete the HTML block strong. This one, just only change the between. Okay, then save changes. Okay, next section, block, text block. Text block is this one. Hover the mouse, click edit. Now change your whole information here. It will display here. In every page, it will display shipping and delivery. Provide information about shipping and delivery, how many days take, like USA, Canada take 8 to 10 days. You can provide something information like that and save changes. Next title, hover the mouse to next title, click again edit, click on edit title again, title, and change again. This is same thing. Text block again same, hover the mouse, click edit, edit text block. You always see this green bar to edit things or duplicate things. Clone means duplicate. This information you can provide here. How many days take for the delivery, and downside provide more information. This one. Once you done changes, save changes, don't forget to click update here. No need to provide category. That's okay. You have to only edit these things and it will be changed. Let's go back to our theme settings. Anywhere you see HTML block on the website, you will also see option to edit it. You will see something like edit with page builder. Then you have to click there. Automatically, it will bring you to customize area. Anywhere you see HTML block used, even you're using with Elementor, it also give you option to edit it. I can show you here. That become your make your work more easier. If you go through one by one option, and you will understand about every settings in the Woodmart, because I have a long experience and I help a lot of clients with the Woodmart theme. Some people stuck with the setting or performance or some features, extra feature they want to enable. Then I always help them how they can do it properly. Here it is. This one, content type is selected HTML block, and then it select HTML block. All the HTML block is here. Then it will also give you option edit this block with page builder, which is nice thing. Okay, save changes. Don't forget to save changes. Next we have related and upsell. Related product, here it is on the product page. Related product, if you don't want to show related product, then you use this setting. Hide tabs heading, tab number one. Okay, I have to click related and upsell. Yeah, if you don't want to show related product, you have to simply disable the setting here. You don't need to do anything, just to simply disable it. Save changes. This item related product will be gone. Okay, if you want to keep it this enable, then scroll down. If you want to show it grid or carousel, I will suggest carousel. It's already here, carousel. Okay, how many product column? It's four now. One, two, three, four. You can change it to five or six related product. I will recommend three or four. Product count, how many product you wanna display. They will able to swipe it carousel. Make sure you have to enter value more than four. Then they will able to scroll it. Okay, save changes. Next setting we have visitor counter. It will count visitor. How many people visit on your website? Click on visit counter. You have to enable this option in order to here. If I scroll my mouse here, how many people? Sometime we see here how many people watching this item. This will enable that functionality. That you have to enable first and keep select on real. But if you wanna keep something random, it will show random number of visitor visit on your website. You can also set to real. You also can enable live mode. If there is some people are watching this product right now, like five or six people, it will show exact how many people showing seeing your product. Okay, save changes. Then next option we have sold counter. It will show how many product item, this particular item, how much sold, or it will display here in the left side like icon. Sometimes you see on the websites it shows something, this product has been purchased from this country, the icons. Let's check out which one is this sold counter. Click on it. First you have to enable this one. Okay, it will show here how many products sold. 15 items sold in 3 hours. It will display somewhere here. Then you have to enable, first enable it, and the setting keep it real. If you want to keep it real, minimum sale count, you can set the number of minimum sale count. If you select 10 item, when this particular item sold 10 times, then it start displaying here. Otherwise no. You can keep select 0 if you want to display right away. Hide for out of stock. You can hide this particular sold counter for the item already out of stock. Okay, don't change these things already good. Time period 3 minute. Display sale count for product over specific time, example 3 minute. And save changes. Save options, don't forget to save options. Okay, so now we have left some part of the theme setting like my account, social profile, API integration. Okay, these settings, okay, we can do it later on, because these single product archive, blog, portfolio, it was important before we customize our homepage. Okay, now let's go to customize our homepage. and then we will go to header and footer, then we do complete other theme settings. Okay, but in case if this video become longer, you will able to find the next part in the description always, or you can check Woodmart theme playlist on our channel. Okay, to customize homepage, you can direct simply open your homepage with the visit site. Here you will see option with the admin bar, add it with the WP Bakery page builder. You can simply click here to edit your homepage or customize it. Let me click on it. And it will give you option to customize your homepage step by step, one by one. If you want to add more items to the homepage, you will able to add. And you have option if you wanna customize it in the front panel. I will show you front panel what I mean, or in the back end. I will suggest you keep it front end, so you will able to see all the item hover the mouse like Elementor. Like this is now front page, and you will able to hover the mouse and you will see this green bar to edit the particular item in the place. Okay, if I hover here, I will able to select this section, change this section. If I hover here, product category, I will able to change it. Anything you want to customize. Okay, let's start from here. Slider, click on edit slider, and you can select a base, a base slider or best seller. Okay, you can try out. Saves changes. Now we change to best seller here. You will see changes right away when you done setting here. Then we have a synchronization as parents, as child. Okay, as you can see changes now. There is a bigger slider, bestseller, but there is nothing. Okay, we need to add it again to change the slider. I will show you how to change the sliders. To change sliders, let me go to option. Let me find the option for the sliders. Yeah, here it is, slides. We have option slides in the WordPress. Let me open into new tab. First, you have to design the slides. We have a different slides here. Base slide, okay, best seller slide. As you can see, it's a complete green, as earlier it's showing here, because we select that one. So if we select base slider, it will show base slider. And why it's showing number 1 2 3? Because in each slide there is a one item. In this particular base slider, let me first make changes. There will be three slides. Which are three slides? Let me show you. Best slide number 3, number 2, number 1. Mean at that mean in every slide there is a one item. I will also show you by customize it, how to customize these slide things. Okay, let's go to slides. Yeah, add new item, and we will able to change our slides. You can name it whatever you want. My slides, and here layout, background, you can change it. Okay, and then click on front editor. We will customize with the WP Bakery page builder with the front end editor. Front end editor, this is front end editor. where we just hover the mouse and change things. Backend editor, you will only see the elements, you need to change them. But here in the front end, we see it live, what item we are going to change. So here, select the layout we used for this post and place finish, click on it. And now default WordPress theme layout, click on it, and here add element. We will able to add different elements here. Okay, now we can use, if you want to add text block, add element, add template. We will use template, add template, and it will bring Woodmart theme template library, where you have to just select the sliders. Okay, you want to display to the front page here, sliders. So if I select this one, full width section with subscription, minimalism subscription, newsletter, and you can also show here, see here, you have a subscription, you have a coffee pre-footer. Okay, you can use different. Okay, let me go upper side and about us, carousel, yeah, carousel, contact, full width section, yeah, full width section we will use it, or gallery, mm, showcase, or text, because some people they want only display text banners, websites, title, text. Okay, let's try out to add something. Click all and let me select this one, add template. Okay, now we will able to customize this template, the slider completely. Okay, if you don't want to use the MailChimp, just cancel it and you can keep only the text. You can also change the images, you can drag it, you can change by clicking image or SVG, hover the mouse to the green, edit, and select the images you wanna display here in the slider. It will display here in the home page. Okay, then you have to select add image here, and image alignment, keep it center. Okay, save changes. Now you wanna add something lines in this side, section title, edit, and you can change the text by clicking title option, join Woodmart letter. You can change. That not mean this is only for the newsletter. You can use any slider. Just you have to change according that. You also also can select here responsive review if you want to check for mobile unit, and it will show you how this particular item will show in the mobile units. Okay, this will look like something. We will wait. The slider will display, start displaying here. Let's go to the next feature category. Hover your mouse here and green, on the green section, click edit section title. Click on title. I will change this title from advanced category to top trending, and save changes. It will change right away. I wanna change the downside, Woodmart is powerful e-commerce. Then I will click on subtitle, text. Okay, the subtitle you will able to change upper section, Woodmart collection. You can change it. As you can see, top trending is now start showing here. So let me change subtitle, Woodmart collection, from my website name AB collections, or enjoy your latest item collection, anything in the subtitle. Then click on text. You can change one time and then save changes. It will change all these things. And the text, Woodmart is powerful e-commerce theme, and you can change it to according your website or business here. Once you're done, save changes. WPAB is the best e-com platform for men, women, just anything, just to show you example. And save changes. Now it will be changed. I use capital letter, but we should use the proper not capital letters. This is just to show you. So example, if you want to change its style of this particular banner text, you have to go to general option, where you can align to the left side. This particular item will be here, left side, and save changes. You will able to see changes right away. As you can see, it's on left side. Now let's go to style. Downside, you can change its style if you wanna try out a different style for the this banner, and this will changed. You can try out bordered and save changes, and the changes will be right way. Yeah, here it is. You can try out different one, predefined color scheme. If you wanna change its color, this banner particular item, and then you have predefined color some. Okay, let's go with black. Select black in predefined color scheme and save changes, and wait for the changes. But I like this one, the shadow one. In the style, you will see the shadow one. There will be a shadow. Okay. And then you also can animate this particular item. You can animate, add animation, and click, select fade in, fade, bounce up. Okay. Then click on animate it. You will able to see right away how it will animate. Save changes, and now click on animate it. Yeah, this way it's working now. And bounce in, animate, just wait for little time, or click again, animate it. Save changes, animate it, because sometime you have to save changes. Let me try fade in up. Yeah, it's working. Fade in up. Theme animation. If you wanna make theme animations, you also can add theme animations. Save changes. Next, in the title, you also can change its title color. For example, top trending is a letter. You can change its color from the custom size, sorry, from the color options, custom color options. You can change its color like a red. Save changes. Now it become red. Okay. And then you can add, if this is h2 h1 tag, I will suggest h2, keep it h2. Okay, now you also can check along the way for the, let me bring it to close, sorry for that, cancel. Let me click here for the mobile unit to see the changes. Yeah, it look beautiful in the mobile unit also. Now what we have here the categories, toys, furniture. Okay, how we can change it, and the image. In the category we have image, how you can change category image. Let me first click on product category, edit with WP Bakery, and what we will check what options they have provided here to add it. I think we will able to change different type of post types. Custom query, yeah, custom query, keep it grid. If you wanna keep this particular category to the grid, let me select any other navigation and save changes. Yeah, Now it's navigation, category navigation. It will be navigated, but I will suggest grid. Save. And in the number of category, how many category you want to display, you can change in the number. How many category here you want to display, change in the numbers. Any category you don't want, you want to exclude, scroll down. Just you have to select the category you want to display here. I want to display 5 category, so I will click within the box and start typing the first letter of your category, and it will auto suggest you if there is a category available. Okay, first you have to check your categories. Yeah, here it is. It suggests. You can now click select, add. You can add up to 5 categories. Okay, save changes. What else? We have a style section for the category. You can change the style of these categories, how it should look like. You can change it to default, alternate, and save changes. The changes will be right way here in the category options. Center title, if you want to keep the title in the center, save changes again, and here the title in the center now. You can change replace title, save changes. Now title will be replaced. Here it is. Okay, it will only show here like that. Furniture in the big letters. You can try out different designs here. Bordered grid, if you want to make these things bordered, select enable border grid. It will be bordered now. Little bordered. Yeah, these, yeah, it's bordered now with a little shadow. And custom category color, border color, you can change custom category border color. Categories background, if you want to add any something else background in the categories, you can select here in custom background color. You have to wait for the changes. Okay, let me disable. I want to cancel this one. Just click on refresh, little refresh button for the colors. Okay, now let's go to product count. If I want to enable product count, it will count how many products in this particular category. You can use invert or enable or disable. I don't want to show product count, how many product in the desk in this particular category. Even you can change its color, title, typography, and change your font. If you want to try out different fonts here, let me try other font, Arial black, and save changes. Now this will change, the font will be changed, this one. Okay, then we have a layout, Monterey with first wide. Let's click on Monterey only, save changes. This is for the layout. Yeah, I like this one, smaller, looks beautiful. Let me check this one. Yeah, it look beautiful. So I want to add all these category like this way. Let me add it again. This particular setting is available under content. Scroll down, sorry, in the style. In the style, scroll down to the layout option. Then you can change how many items you want to keep in this particular layout. I want to select 4. You can also try carousel. If you want to make carousel type. Lazy loading for image, I would recommend to enable this one. This will speed up your website. Lazy loading for image. Save changes. This will speed up your website. Yeah, this will now lazy load the images. Don't worry about the image not showing, but it will show when lazy loading enable. If you don't want, you can keep disable this one. Okay. What else we have? We have carousel option. Yeah, carousel option, slide per view, keep it 3 is good enough. Slide loop, auto height. Sometimes the images are big in some category, you can enable auto height then. Okay. Disable overflow. Okay, you have different setting. Hide scroll bar, it will hide the scroll bar here. It already hide it. Okay. Now looks beautiful. Now let's check out for the mobile how it will look like. Yeah, it look like beautiful. If there will be more, it will be slidable. Okay, I need to add more category. First of all, the category you have to create category with the images. Let me show you first that one because that's more important. Let me go to products, click on categories. In the categories, make sure you first create all the categories for your website, all the required categories. Now we have only furniture and toys. Let's check this out. Furniture and toys. Then we have to add more categories in order to display here. Make sure the category already in the backend. Then it display. Otherwise, no. Yeah, we have a categories here: toy, lighting, furniture, cooking. A lot of categories already there. So how to add this one? So you have to remember the first two, three letters like cooking, COO, cooking, and I will add it again, product category section, and scroll down to the category where we select the category. Okay, let me cancel one. Okay, now let me search for cooking, COOC, cooking, and it will give you cooking. Select it, keep save. Now it will show three of them. Cooking also, it's here. Okay, so if you wanna display the four item in the row, add it. I think go to style section to display. Go to style, scroll down, scroll down, carousel, product count. Yeah, go to carousel. Yeah, 3. Here, increase the number 4. Okay, save. Number of categories 5. Yeah, here now it's showing 4. Okay, so I need to add one more here. So what else? Lighting. Add it. Scroll down to the category section. In the search box, click one time with the mouse, LIGHT, lighting, and select here. That's all. Save changes. Don't forget to save changes. Now it will look beautiful. Just wait little time. It will start show here. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Okay. Don't forget to click here update to update your work so you don't miss any work you do customization. Now let's talk about how to add these category image. Okay, these are automatically showing here. So if I can edit the lighting category, in the lighting we have this image, so I will add it, lighting category, and there will be one image which showing here. So if I scroll down, there is option thumbnail. You have to provide image here, thumbnail, in order to display here. It will auto display here once you have image here in the thumbnail. So best practice, when you create categories, provide category name, same slug, Okay, description, it will help you in SEO. Display type, keep it default. Thumbnail, provide the thumbnail. Okay, image for category, page title, you can also provide that one. When you hover, you can check out where it display. It will display in the title, very title, and when someone will click on the category. Example, I click toys, it will bring me to the particular page. Let me view my website, view page, and we will see our changes. Yeah, this banner, we will customize this particular banner later on. So the category is showing here. Okay, there is one, the title is showing very far away, we have to make it down. Okay, we have to change, either we have to make it center to make it visible, so it's behind here, it's behind the menu. So let's check out what options we have for this. Go back to the edit page and we will make it center so it will be visible. Then we will check our home page again. And I will also show you, if you want to add more stuff in the home page, design more nice way, you want to display countdown timer, sales, anything, how you can do that. Okay, so I will scroll down to the this part, edit. So I will make it align to center now, so it will be visible. Okay, perfect. Save changes. Okay, now it will be in the center. Yeah, it's a center now, perfect. Okay, so now you want to change this particular banner. Let me quickly show you also. Go to slides, all items. Now this particular slide is selected as base slide, so this is the base slide. So we have to customize all these three slides under base slides. Base slide, start from base slide 1, click edit with WP Bakery page builder, where we will able to edit this particular slider. We can add image according our business, text, anything. So this is the best practice. Just hover the mouse here to check which slide is selected here. Then you have to find. As you can see, it's here. Okay, so what I will do, I will first change this image. This image. So if I click slide one more time, yeah, here, this image. So I have to change this image. Hover the mouse here to the image, edit. Now you can change this particular item. For image selected here, you can select even one, that's okay. Cancel all. Okay, select one image here. Just to show you, you can make changes to the slider. So I will select any image. Sometime it take time, sorry for my internet. We will also change the simple rock chair, the text, and four images is showing they here, so you can delete it if you don't want to show it. But if you want to show, you have to select multiple. So let me select only one which you like, this one, add image. Okay, save changes. Now one image will be shown. Okay, now let's go to simple rock chair. Hover your mouse to the title, add it. Section title setting will be open, and then I will able to change simple rock chair. Now scroll, click on title, And here is the simple word. You can change the simple word to AB, and now go to subtitle or text. Yeah, text AB. Yeah, this second title I have to separately change it. So AB is already done. Save changes. Now simple, instead of simple it will be AB something. Now let's go to next, rock chair. It's a separate title. Add it and click title, rock chair. AB, I will change it to chair collections and save changes. So upper one not showing. Let me check. Sometime it take time to show here. Depends on your internet or your server. But it will start show here. Once you already change here, you have to update one time. Okay, title, yeah, AB. Save changes. And now downside, save changes. You also can edit the mobile version simply by clicking here, responsive review. Okay, now description. Hover your mouse to the description, text block. We call it text block in WP Bakery. Click on it, edit. Every time you hover your mouse where you want to edit, then in the green you will see little edit. You have to change the description here. It's the box. Okay, enjoy 100. Sorry, 20% discount on our chair collections. Okay, save changes. Now it will change. So downside, I don't want to show another gallery. I will cancel it. So any item you want to delete, just click on X. Now it will be cancelled. You can change its price. It's a text block actually. Price. Click edit and you can change its price from 99 to 99. Save changes. Okay, this is the very simple way. If I update now everything, and I will able to check the changes. Click the three option view page. I will able to view it right away if there are any changes or I need to make again any changes. And this slider will also changed here once we already changed in the backend. So I have to wait to check the review. The next slider will be number 2, number 3, then we will change one by one. And this one is showing here slider, another slider. We don't need it, we can cancel it. We only need one slider. So let me go back. If in sometime by accidentally you delete something, you can click here back button, undo button. It will undo your deleted item, so you don't need to worry about it. As you can see, it's working. AB chair collection, enjoy 20% discount on chair collection. It will also change in the front end. If I show you this website, okay, let me go to, yeah, refresh, and you will see the changes in the slider right away in the home page. Yeah, it's here. AB chair collection 99 and slider, it will be number 2 slide. I have to change the same way it. Then I have to go in the slider options again, and then I have to edit the base slide number 2, number 3. So because these are 3 slide actually, so I have to go one by one. So I have to go back again. So downside, it's showing you can delete it simply. I think this is for the mobile unit. For the mobile unit, you can check if how it look like. Okay, if look like good, then You can, if you want to align to the center anything, add it, and then select align center for the mobile. It will be center. Downside, add it, and keep also in the center both titles. Same here, description, you can keep it aligned center, everything in the mobile. Layout center. Okay, but you have to, when you align center, you have to check here every time if you're doing for the mobile unit. Then you can switch back to check for the desktop. Okay, sometimes these things not showing, don't, you don't need to worry, but it will be changed when you click on update. Let me go back again, and you can customize, edit one by one all these three. So base slide number 2 and 3. Okay, depends on your selection. Or you can create 3 slide to display there. Keep the same name for the 3 sliders. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, now we have done categories. Now let's go to feature product. No any feature product right now showing. Let me check if there is showing. Yeah, it's a showing here. But if I refresh, it should show here. We will also change all these things for the products. This should be here. Sometime you will not see changes on your website. You have to clear your cache browser, or you have to clear cache in your, if you're using cache plugin. Okay, that way you will solve this issue. If you are facing, I forget to update it, yeah, now it will be changed. Sometime you forget to update, there will be no changes. Now you can see the changes is here. It look beautiful. Now we will go to feature product. Feature product here. Okay, you don't need to if you wanna add it the product section, it's not showing any product, you don't need to worry. Just you have to hover the mouse in the box, you will see Ajax product tabs. You have to edit it to check how many products you want to show here. In one row 4 product, 2 rows. Okay, you can change and update. Those product will be updated, you don't need to worry it's not showing here. Sometime the product not showing in WPBakery. You can also change its design, bordered. When you scroll down, and you will able to change icon images, tab title. Okay, for the products. Okay, now let me show you how you can add something else. You don't want to display product here, instead of product you want to display something else. Every time you need to change or add anything, you have to look, one is yellow to append the column. It will append the column, one more column to the down section. You want to add row, text block, icon, separator, example separator, it will add separator under the products. So depends on you which item you want to display here. Now you will see there is a gray, little gray separator. When you hover the mouse, and you will see separator icon, you can cancel it. Okay, so now you want to add something else, click on plus button. Inside the box, theme elements, there is a product tab showing. So it means product tabs already working. Just you need to change the setting here for the product tabs. Okay, now let's scroll down. Yeah, it's now showing. So sometime there was a issue, so product is showing now. So that option bestseller, feature, sale, this is called Ajax product tab. So let, if I edit it, So I will able to change its style. Bestseller, featured, sale. This is Ajax tab. So I will click on another design from the design option, space between, aside, or default one. For the default one, it will become in the center. When you make changes, sometime the products has been gone. You don't need to worry. Products will be come back, or you can simply refresh your page. Scroll down to the product section. Okay, let me first change the section title. Edit. So I will name it the feature product or trending product. Click on title. You can give another name from instead of feature product, then subtitle will be the upper side. Wooden categories or wooden accessory, you can change it. Okay, tags for the description, visit our shop to see creation, you can change it. Save changes. So the tabs here, bestseller, featured, and sale, showing how you can edit it. I will show you. In the main column, the yellow one, if you edit this one, you will able to change background of whole section. If you want to add video background, you can also use that one. You want to animate the whole section, you will able to animate it. A lot settings you have here when you edit the yellow one column. Enable sticky column, it will be sticky. Design option, you will able to change its background design. Let me try to change. Save changes. Now the background will be change of whole section. This way you can try out different settings in the column or in the main product. As you can see, the color background has been changed. Okay, if you want to add image, you can also add image. So let me go to default, click on default, save setting. That's all. Okay, so let me click on Ajax product tabs, edit, design, tab primary color. You will able to change primary color of these tabs. So if you want to change its product like bestseller, featured, and sale, just click any of these options and it will give you here option product tabs. Click on it one time and it will open another setting, product tab setting. So products tab setting for the products here, and scroll down to the product source if you want to display all products here or just only some category product. You can select from all product to like featured, it will only show featured product. Okay, you can also add testimony, layout, grid, list, or carousel. As you can see in grid, we have 4 column, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add 5 columns if you want. Okay, and then save changes. Now the product tab setting will be updated for the products here. You have to wait. You will see changes here in the product tabs. It will display 5 per column. Okay, just click one more time, product tabs, and you also can use a particular category product if you want to show here. Then you have to use testimonies. Okay, so after tab settings, we have here the banner again, slider, we call it. Then you have to click on hover to the orange green one, edit, slider setting will open, and you have to see here which slider used here. I think this showing, yeah, best seller. So same way you have to go to slider option in the WordPress, slider, slides, all item. Now you have to edit the best seller slides. Same as earlier, we just customize base slides, 3 of them. Now you have to also customize best seller slides. So this is available here. So let me show you one slide. Best slide, seller slide number 1. Click on edit with WP Bakery page builder. As you can see here, we can customize it. Title, anything here you want, you don't want, you can add it or delete. Information boxes, we information boxes used here. If you don't want to show material, just hover your mouse here and click X, client, click X, and keep delete. You don't want to things. Okay, then if you want to add something else, click on this plus button and you can add something else like a text block. You want to add one more text block there and save changes. First you have to provide here paragraph. It will display here but it not showing in the white color. Again add it, and now in the design we will change its color to light. Color scheme should be light if you want to display as white color. Now this will become white. Or you can scroll down, you can change design options, you can change its color, background color. Okay, select light here, save, and now you can see here it become white. You can change $199, you can change it. Hover your mouse to the element you want to change, add it. Now you can change its price. Add to cart button, you can add it button. You will able to even change anything for the button here, because some people they want to display something else here. So let me show you how you can that. For example, you want to display here accessories. Then first you have to put that particular accessory image here. Then in the cart you have to edit the cart and scroll down. You have to select that product option, select URL, and you have to search your particular this product. So someone click add to cart, that will go to the that particular product. So let me search my product here, chair, in the search, and here it is product. Select it, set a link, that's all. Now someone will click add to cart, the chair will be added to the cart, this particular, because this is a more important thing to change sliders. Okay, now this will be updated. Sometime things not show, but it will show later on when you check it. Don't forget to click update, so it will be become back. You can check it if how it look like, if your slider working. If you click add to cart, it should work. Yeah, it's working. Now click add to cart. Yeah, it's working. So exact the URL you will select, the person will go immediately to the that particular product. You have to configure correctly the URL when you search product to add in the behind the button. Okay, so then when you customize, it will also customize here. The changes will be immediately here. Okay, now let's talk about if you want to add something, some more elements be under here, under the chair slider. You want to add something else unique. Click on this yellow plus button, append to column option. Click on it, and then you have to click if you want to add something product element or related to Woodmart. Then you have to select theme elements always. Okay, now then you have to select which one you want to use here. For example, you want to use banner carousel, select it and do some basic setting inside it and save changes. Now you will see there will be new element. Okay, it will start show. Don't forget to update it. Okay, you can cancel it if you don't want. Cancel, And now I want to add something else here. Or you can do one thing, you can click here plus icon, add new element, then theme elements. Okay, then you have to select which element you want to add. Example, I want to add Instagram. So I will just simply, I can drag it or I can click on it. Then you have to do setting for this particular item you add here. Okay, now you can add for the some images for Instagram, some other stuff, image links. Okay, now I will show you, it will display here. Even it will display to the down section, you can just bring it to the upper section. So here is the element we add. So I can simply bring it to the section I want to display it. I want to display under the here image newsletter. Yeah, here. So the element will be display exact where you display it. So I want to add one more for the products. So I will click on theme elements again, or you can try out like social content structure if you want to add HTML block. Okay, let's go to theme element. We use Woodmart. So let me find promo banner here. So I will one time click on it, just click on it and do some settings inside it, promo banner settings. Then we can just drag it to the place we want to add it here. So it will be added here downside always when you select it. So let me choose any image for the promo box. Let me choose this image, set image, and I will scroll down. I will also select this particular image banner, the same as add to cart button. So someone will click there and those will be go to this particular banner. So let me save changes. Don't worry about the elements not show. It will show, start show with the time. So let me make it smaller, add it promo banner, and I will reduce the size. Image size, I will keep it 300. Save changes. Or fixed height. You can try out. Okay, style, you can change banner style. So let me try out something smaller. Yeah, like that. And fixed, scroll down to the banner style. Let me choose color mask. Save. Now let's see the changes. Yeah, color mask. So someone click here on the image, that will go to the particular URL we select in the promo banner here. Banner link, select URL. So the person will go on specific when they click this item. So because this is a promo banner, this is only a banner. So let's try out something else. Let me delete extra rows here. Okay, so I have this. So I can only click on add element also here. Same option will be open. So click on theme elements. Now let's try out to add button. Okay, or compare image. If you want to add Google Map, you can select Google Map. If you want to add pop-up, menu price, portfolio, example, you want to add portfolio. So I will select portfolio. The portfolio will be added here. It's a selected grid. Yeah, I want to use grid. Portfolio looks good. Okay, so but I want to make it how many column? I want to make it only number of project per page only 3. Okay, I want to display because only 3 in one row. Yeah, perfect. So what I need else, I need to add one title here, upper side. something same like here, our latest news, our feature product. This is a title. So I have two way, either I can copy this particular element, so I have to scroll here and click on the copy section title and scroll down where we have new element here. Okay, then sorry for that, then I will just paste it here. Paste. Okay, you will see this yellow to paste it. Then you will able to edit it as you want. So this is our portfolio section. So I will change to portfolio section. I will add it. Instead of feature product, I have to provide uh, folios and subtitle. I also change check out our new collection. Also I have to change its description in the text, but that's okay. Let's save changes. Okay, yeah, it changed. So now I can simply drag this whole element to the upper section where I want to display it. So I will just bring it to the upper section. So first let me bring this particular item. I will select from the row. I will drag it to the, I wanna display above the latest news. Okay, now I have to drag this one also. So from the row, okay, bring your mouse to the row or column. Drag to move column. Okay, drag to move column. Move it. Yeah, here under the portfolios. Okay, let me try out again. Yeah, from the row. Try out from the row. Yeah, from the row is okay. As you can see, our portfolio is aligned here. So there is the some, I want to give some space because it's too close. So I will here yellow where you want to add the space. Okay, click on append to column, click on it and find here in the search space, empty space, select it, and now space will be added between the elements. Save changes. 32 pixel, you can put value here how much space you want to give, and now there will be space. Even you can change the space. Yeah, here it is the space now. Empty space, you can increase it, add it, put the value again to increase it. So I will increase like 70, 66 pixel. So I want to add more space between the elements here. It will be changed. Okay, now it's working. Okay, so we have enough space now between the elements. So what we have now, join our newsletter. I want to make it to the down section somewhere. So I will simply from the row drag it to the down section to very end, because I want to display newsletter to the very end here. Yeah, perfect. And I will delete extra, delete it, delete it. To delete, just to follow, if you wanna delete the whole column, then you have to follow the yellow one to delete the column. But if you wanna delete only inner sections, then you have to follow this green cancel button. Okay, the column will delete all area. I hope you enjoying my video. Please hit like, share and subscribe. So what else we wanna try? If you wanna delete any column you don't like, just hover your mouse to the yellow section, main section. Okay, I wanna delete the news then you have to use here this one, delete column. If you want to delete brands, then click here and delete column. Yeah, it's deleted now. So I want to again give some space. I will hover slowly to the yellow plus icon. I will find the yellow icon when I hover my mouse. Click on it, search again space. You will able to find different elements here, and it will be again 66 pixels. So I want to keep the same value. So there I don't want to make a different value, so that not look good. So yeah, it's enough space now. And update, don't forget to update every time you work on your website. So let's try out to check view page. Scroll down, yeah, toys, cooking, feature products, and then portfolios. If someone click portfolios, that will go to portfolios. So we will ensure everything work correctly. Yeah, portfolio work, it's working. Now let me go back to another section. Latest news. Even you can, they will able to hover more project, but if you want to delete this, load more project, then you have to go for, let me add it with WP Bakery again. So I will, from the setting, I will remove load more. So I have to hover to the particular section to make changes. For the header and footer section, the process is very same as Elementor. The difference only, we will use WP Bakery page builder here to edit the home, edit the header section. So here let's click on the green edit portfolio, and I will look for option load more project. So I want to disable it, or pagination, I will disable that one. Short, yeah, pagination here, I will click on disable. That's all your work. So all the settings are present inside this little box. So now you can see there is no button. Okay, what else, what we have here? Yeah, if you want to add more things in that down section, select. And if you want to add like section, icon, separator, zigzag separator, it will add separator to the section downside the section, like separator with text. Let's try out this. And I have to provide title. Okay, to make changes, thank you. I want to add icon, yes. Title position center, color gray. I want to change the color of separator to pink. Okay, border width should be little more. Okay, save changes. Now separator line will be changed color. Let me go to icon, general. Yeah, you can see here. Now it's, we have zigzag separator here. So this way you can add any element, or you can drag. Just you have to follow, click, you have to bring your mouse to the row, drag it anywhere you wanna drag to your home page. Okay, then don't forget to click update. Okay, now let's go to the header and footer section. Let me go back. To edit the header section, you have to go to option Woodmart theme, Woodmart option in the WordPress. In the Woodmart, we will select here Home Builder. In the Woodmart, click on Home Builder. You have to check which header used currently. So the header used here, home base, header base. How I know? Because there is a 1 star along with it. So that means this particular header used on your website. You can know this way. So you have to edit the home header base particular, not other. Okay. So I will easily click on header base, edit. Okay, but we have already tutorial different on header and footer in you will able to find in WordPress Woodmart playlist on our channel. So what we have top row, main header and header bottom. Top row we have English, country, English, add anything here just to remove. So this is text HTML. So first we have a divider. Divider is this white divider from the starting in the top. So I don't want to use it. Hover your mouse and add it, delete it, because I want to start from the direct menu. Okay, don't forget to save header, always make changes. Now hover to the menu. So this menu used here, English, country, the language menu. So you have to hover to the menu, add it, and you will see here which one menu used. Top bar left used here. So I have to go to menus to check this one, top bar left. Okay, don't forget to this one, top bar left. I will go to appearance, menus. Let me open into new tab, and now I will find top bar left, right? Top bar left. So in the select menu, select top bar left, select, and you will see there will be language something in the menu. As you can see, there is a English, Dutch, country. So all these menu, because these things used as a menu, okay, in our website top header. So I have to either bulk select. You can select you wanna remove. I don't wanna use it. Or if you wanna just delete the section, then you simply can delete the menu icon, the menu element. Okay, if you don't want to use here, if you want to, but if you want to use something else like a privacy policy, something else here, then you have to delete the old elements from the top header menu. First you select the correct one. So then I will bulk select all these. Okay, bulk select, and I will remove all these, and I will able to add my own menu items in the top bar left. Top bar left, because top bar left is used in the top bar section. We already check it. So remove selected item. So we have nothing here. So here you will see pages, view all, and select you want to add. I want to add one blog and about us, only 2 pages. Add to menu, that's all, and save menu, that's all. Only save menu, don't select anything. Okay, after you save menu, I will show you now. Your menu will be changed to the blog and about us. If I refresh here, you will see there will be new menu in the top bar. Here it is, blog about us. So what is this? This is the actually text. You can see here text HTML element used here. So I will delete it, or you can edit it. hover to edit, and you can provide any information here. So what used here, add anything here or just remove. Yeah, but you will not see it when you select it. You will see because the white color used, that's why. Just you have to select it and start typing. Don't worry about it's not visible, just keep right here. Okay, if you don't want, just hover the mouse to text html and little delete or remove button and select OK. It will be removed and save header. Now our text will be gone. Which text? This one. Add anything, just remove. It will be gone now. Yeah, we only have blog about us. So next we have a social media button, newsletter, some other stuff. Then we will follow this way, other way, right side. You can see here also social media icon, divider, menu used again here. So let's click first menu to check. So now it's top bar right, earlier top bar left. So top bar right we have to find in the menu. Now we select top bar right, select, and we will see, yeah, newsletter, contact us, a lot of stuff used here, double time. So I have to delete one, or I will bulk select, then I will able to add my own pages. Okay, or I wanna keep only one item, single item, not double item. So I have only three: newsletter, contact us, FAQ. That's all, because there were double items. So let me refresh. Now there will be more space we have now. Yeah, perfect. Now we have a beautiful another section. Now we have social icon. To edit social icon, just to hover to social icons, social link icons, edit, and style. You will able to even change its style. But if you want to change social icons link setting, you will able to do so in theme setting. Okay, then click social profiles. You will able to change this setting here. Let's go to main menu. Main header is we have our logo, main menu, a lot of stuff here. We have to remove one by one, and to then our header will look beautiful. So let's go to first logo, edit, and let me upload my logo here first. Sticky logo. Okay, upload logo, and then you have to select your logo here, or you also can upload it just to show you, and select use this image. Then you can adjust. First you have to save changes to check how bigger it look like, otherwise we will adjust logo width from here, like okay, how many pixel.